Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold US dollar in front of us right now. If you have watched my previous videos on gold USD, then you are in a good profit right now, because I clearly mentioned in my earlier videos that market should bounce from this particular level. And many of you have commented also that you are in a profit right now, you have made good money because market did bounce from this particular level. Yes, that's a good thing, but right now things have changed a little bit that I would like to discuss in this video. If you are in a profit right now, great. Okay, but if you look at the chart here, okay, if you look at the chart here, okay, then you may still think that overall market is in downtrend, but right now market is in uptrend. Things may look pretty good to you, because if you look at the line here, okay, if you look at the line here, or if you have got these two lines here, then still you can see that market is just standing at the support level. Because I clearly mentioned on my previous video that you should also draw these two lines so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. And considering these two lines, market is just standing at this support level, because this support is a dynamic support for the market. Clear? Okay. But there are certain things that we cannot overlook here. And if I zoom out, if I zoom in, okay, if I zoom in, then you can see that if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then do you still think that buyers are dominating right now? Overall, market is in uptrend, market is trading or going up in a channel. Okay, fine, no doubt. But if we just focus or observe this part, or if I just ask you to concentrate on this part, do you still think that buyers are still dominating in this price level? No. If you just look at this particular portion of the market here, then you can clearly see that number of red candles are much higher in comparison to number of green candles, which means that market is in uptrend. Okay, right now market is in uptrend, but at this particular time sellers are somewhat influencing, or sellers have higher influence over the market right now. And you can see that this was a 50 moving average, which was what I'm saying, which was acting as a support for the market. And as we all know, support always become resistance for the market, and vice versa, resistance always becomes support for the market. 50 moving average, which was acting as a support for the market, is acting as a resistance for the market. And how can we be sure? You can see that here, when market tried to go up, it got, or it faced resistance from the 50 MA. And right now market is not in a good position, or market does not have the strength to go up. If I just ask you to concentrate on this particular candles right now, okay, just focus on these candles and just try to understand the market psychology here. Just try to understand the market emotion from these candles. Do you still think that bulls have the power, or bulls are there in the market who will take the price upward here? No. Right now the bulls does not have the required strength to take the price upward, and there is a good possibility that 50 moving average may also act as a resistance for the market. After that, you can see that stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. So first condition is 50 moving average. Okay. Second is market overbought, and third is divergence. You can see that market has formed a high here, and when market tried to go up again, market formed a lower high here, which means market failed to cross the previous high. But if you look at the stochastic RSI here, stochastic RSI has found a high, but this time stochastic RSI has formed a higher high here. Market has formed a lower high, but indicator is forming a higher high. And whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever there is a divergence or whenever there is a mismatch between the market and the indicator, then there is also a good possibility that market may reverse, or you will see a good change in the trend of the market. And if we look at this particular portion also, then also we can easily see that right now market is somewhat struggling to go up, and we cannot deny it. Therefore, considering all these factors, I think that okay, there is a possibility that market may go down, though market is standing at a support level. Okay, because you can see that this trend line, which was acting as support for the market is still respecting or trying to hold the support level, but there is a possibility that market may go down also, and I'm just here to share this only. So if in case market goes down from here, then do not be surprised, because there are several conditions that will be responsible for the uh, selling pressure in the market. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.